Hi guys, today this is the third lecture about the idioms, and these idioms are very interesting. And these are animal idioms, means we will use the name of animals and they will create different interesting meanings. First, that is a cold fish, means an aloof, unemotional person. In Urdu, तन्हाई पसंद शख्स. And second, back the wrong horse means support the wrong person, गलत शख्स की हिमायत करना. And third, bark up the wrong tree means to make the wrong choice, गलत राह पर चलना. And fourth, have ants in one's pants, be restless or excited, बेचैन होना, पुरजोश होना. Fifth, bat out of hell, move very quickly, तेज कदमों से चलना. Sixth, eager beaver, alert and energetic person, जोशीला शख्स, बहुत ही ज़्यादा चालाक शख्स. And seventh, bee in one's bonnet, an occupying idea, जब कोई ख्याल किसी के सर पर सवार हो जाए वो इसे be in one's bonnet. And eighth, go to the dogs, to become bad, तबाह हो जाना. Ninth, have bats in one's belfry, to be a little bit crazy, संकी या खपती होना. And tenth, take bull by the horns, डट कर सामना करना, act decisively to deal with a problem. 11th, let the cat out of the bag, reveal a secret, राज अफशा करना. 12th, like a cat on the hot brick means nervous, restless, बेचैन, परेशान. And 13th, rain, cats and dogs, very famous, rain very heavily, जोर की बारिश होना. 14th, chicken feet means a meager amount, ऊँट के मुंह में ज़ीरा. 15th, chicken out of means decide against something, हिस्सा न लेना, दूर हो जाना. And 16th, a cash cow means regular source of income, मुस्तकिल ज़रिया आमदन. 17th, till the cows come home, तवील अरसा के लिए means very long time, for a very long time or forever. 18th, shed crocodile tears, मगरमच्छ के आंसू बहाना, show insincere grief. 19th, eat crow, admit your fault and apologize, माजरत कर लेना means eat crow. 20th, dogs break fast means complete mess, जहाँ हर चीज़ बेतरतीब हो, mess mean mesmerize से है. 21, like a dog with two tails, extremely happy, इंतहाई खुश. And 22, my dogs are barking means my foot are hurting, मेरे पाँव में दर्द है. This is 23, donkey work, कठिन काम, बोझ, unpleasant or boring work. And 24, donkey's years, a very long time, तवील अरसा. 25, sitting duck, easy target, आसान शिकार. 26, fly in the ointment means hindrance, कोई रुकावट. And 27, sly as a fox means cunning and clever, लोमड़ी जैसा चालाक. And 28, knee, high to a grasshopper means very young, a child, बच्चा. 29, flog a dead horse, waste energy on a lost cause means गड़े मुर्दे उखाड़ना. And 30, straight from horse mouth, information from direct source, बाखबर तरीन जरिए से खबर हासिल करना, that is straight from horse mouth. 31. Lion's share, बड़ा हिस्सा, largest portion or best part. And 32. Monkey business, deceitful practice, धोखेबाजी. And 33. Quiet as a mouse, बिल्कुल खामोश, completely quiet. 34. Stubborn as a mule, very obstinate or stubborn, इंतहाई जिद्दी. And 35. Stool pigeon means mukhbar, informer. 37. Smell a rat, suspect that something is wrong. 37. Snake in the grass, a treacherous person, means chupa dushman. And 38. Paper tiger means less powerful than it appears, कागजी शेर. 39. Whale of a time, enjoy a lot, खूब लुत्फ उठाना. And 40. Wolf in sheep's clothing, look harmless but really very dangerous, छुपा दुश्मन. So these are all 40 idioms. These are of the animals, related to the animals. Very interesting if you will use them in your writing skills or in your speaking. You will definitely feel very improvement in your writing and speaking. Thank you very much.